bringing to you a treasure from my homeland, Sacred Foods of India, the land where sharing of food is a way of life. This magnum opus captures the true fabric of the country, her diversity, faith and colors. A handcrafted epic created over years of research, printed on a special paper using vegetable ink, adorned with crystals and gold gilding. The book captures a heritage through sacred places and recipes from the holy kitchens which represent the soul of a nation. I bring to you a piece of my heart, a luxury collectible in collaboration with Vedic cosmos which will last generation after generation.